What's up guys? Today we are doing something kinda wild. I wanted a full underglow, like front, sides, rear, the whole thing glowing. But instead of a normal underglow kit, I grabbed two Nilight truck bed light strip kits. Each kit has three 60 inches strips, so that's 6 massive LED strips, and we're putting all of them under the car. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. These are the Nilight RGB IC LED truck bed lights. And these are the lights. It has 3 strips, 60 inches each strip. So it has 3 of them. It has a remote control, a fuse switch to turn it on and off, and the positive and negative cable to connect them. It has 2 extension cords for the lights, extra clips to install them, the manual how to install them, and thank you note, and also a remote control to control all the settings here, turn it on and off, and change the color with this one. And I got 2 because I'm trying to do something cool on the car, so that's why I have 2. So let's put them on the car, let's install them, and let's see how cool they look. Coming up right now. Okay, let's start with installation. I got 2 because I want to cover the whole thing, the whole spoiler. These ones that I got, they are longer, okay? So that's why I got 2. I already have a Nilight underglow, but this one is longer and it's for a truck, but I got this one because I want to cover the whole thing. I want to lit the whole spoiler and everything around the car. So let's start with the installation. I'm gonna put it in a time lapse because I don't want to bore you with that one, but I'm gonna show you after it's installed how it looks. Let's start with the installation. Let's do it. Okay, before we start, let me show you. I already had an underglow in the car, but the reason I'm gonna replace it first, I already ripped the cable from there, and the second reason is because it's too short. Only covers from here for there. So this one is only 25 or 24 inches. So this one is 60. So I'm gonna put 60 here, 60 in the other one, 60 in this by the doors, and 60 on the rear on each side. So it's gonna be great. So let's continue with this. So this one, it has an arrow, you can see. So all the arrows are gonna be pointing to the rear, and it has plugs. You can disconnect them here. So this one has this plug in here. So I'm going to disconnect this one. I'm gonna see how to put everything in one piece, but this is one strip. 1, 2, 3, 60 inches each strip. Okay, we're ready. So the strip, each strip, it has the connection in the middle, and in here it doesn't have a connection. So I wish I had a connection here so I can put both of them together, but no, even on the back it doesn't have a connection here. So before I put everything, I'm gonna test it, okay? Because the arrow in this one, it goes to the back, and you can see it. Yeah, right there. You can see it. It goes to the back, but this one, it goes to the front. Man. So same thing on the other one. So I have it on the back here. So the arrow goes to the back. You can see it there. Yeah, it goes to the back. But this one, it goes to the front. So I have this. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna put both of them together inside of the car. And let's see. And one more thing, this one, it doesn't comes with the kit. But I'm gonna add the link for this one if you want to get it, because with this one you don't have to do any wiring to the car. This one you can just put it on the cigarette lighter connection, on the car connection. And it has a switch. Cool. Okay, we're ready. Have this one, the cigarette lighter connection, and I got all the cables. Black with the black, the ground with the ground, and the red with the red, the power. Positive and negative. Goes there. And let's turn on the car. Turn on the switch. I think we have to turn this one on. Yeah, and we have to turn each one on. Okay, so yeah, the lights are on, and over there they're on too. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna get rid of one of the switches of this one and put them together, because I don't want to turn one side and then the other side. I have two switches, you can see, one for each side. So I might connect them two at one switch. That way both of them will be in one switch. So one strip is here, another one is there and there. Yeah, and the other one is here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. They were there and this one is there. Yeah. Okay, the good thing both of them work, because I don't want to install them and then it doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna use the double-sided tape that is on the back of the Underglow, the strip. But before you do that, clean the area, the bottom of the car with water and soap, or if you have alcohol, clean it with alcohol. Because if you don't do that, the Underglow is not gonna stick and it's gonna fall. You don't wanna do that. Okay, in this part of the plugs, you can connect them here and then the remote. But I'm gonna run this extension. It comes with this extension, the kit. So I'm gonna put 1, 2 extension, run them all the way to this side, and plug them both together to one remote. Okay, everything is ready. It's a little mess in here, but let me show you. So here are the cables that goes. This is one LED strip, and these are the other one LED strips. Both of them are connected to this remote. These are 3 wires, red, white, and black. So I connect them in here, and then the control goes to the power. I already have a switch inside of the cabin of the car here. But if you don't have a switch, these two, you can connect them to the cigarette lighter adapter to the cabin. Okay, so before I put everything back, I want to test it. Now let's see, let's turn on the car. Well, use the switch to see how they look. Okay, it's turning on, and then the switch. And yes. Ooh. Yes, look at that. So everything is working. Yeah, everything is working. Everything works. Yes. Cool. Okay, so now let me put everything together and let's test it out. Let me hide everything. Right, let's do it. Okay, real quick, let me show you how I did it. Let me see on the bottom. So you can see all the way to the end. Over here I had to overlap it because they are long. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. And then I ran the cable here. This is what it takes the longest, tucking the cable under the fender liner. But the rest, look at that. Ew. And then it ends here, and then goes in here, and then to the back. That. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, so it's hard to see on the back, but it's done. So now let's see how it looks out there at night. Okay, let's see. You can see it looks super bright. Amazing. Look at this. Man, it's super bright. Let's go around. Whoo, man. Look at that. Looks amazing. Whoa. Okay, you have to download this app, this Happy Lighting. Okay, and then in this one, in the app, you have to open this and then connect to the device. All right, like this. All right, and then in here you can change the color. Whoa, man, that looks amazing. You see, you can see it. Yellow, pink, blue. Whew, that blue looks amazing. Okay, and then it has another option with music, but you have to select a song. But I can do that because I don't want to get a copyright. And then this one, look at that. It's with the sound, with your voice. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing. And then it has more options. You can change like a sequential colors. Let's see. One. Let me show you this one. For Christmas. Ooh, look at that. And then let me put more bright. Make it brighter. And you can add the speed. Make it faster. Yes. And then this one. Ooh, man, amazing. That. Ooh. 5, 7, 8, and you can save this the best ones in here on the bottom. That's cool on your phone. I have to check all of them and maybe select the best one I like, but it has like hundreds. Well, no, not 100, man. Like 100 different ones. And let me see how many. Oof, like 200. Yes, man, 200 different ones. Oof, there are too many, so it's hard to check all of them right now, but you have the idea. You see? This one for Christmas, we're in Christmas already. Look at that, amazing. Yeah, so it has a lot of options. The app is amazing, and even you can turn it on and off in here. On and off. Okay? Yeah, the red one is the best one for me, and it's super bright. Look at how bright it is, and it covered the whole lip. That's what I wanted. Look at that, the whole lip. Oof, beautiful. It's amazing. Oof. It does. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments, and if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. And that's it. 2 Nilight truck bed light strip kits, 6 huge strips, 0 regrets. This is honestly one of the brightest DIY underglow setups I have ever done. If you wanna try this same setup, links are down below. Drop a like, hit subscribe. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next one.